Troposphere. It is the first layer, and it means the disturbed layer because all atmospheric turbulences happen in it, like wind, storms, and clouds. And the temperature decreases by a rate of 6.5 degrees Celsius for each 1 kilometer height till it reaches minus 60 degrees Celsius at the troposphere. And the atmospheric pressure decreases as we go up till it reaches 0.1 from the normal atmospheric pressure. It contains 75% of mass of air. So all weather phenomena take place in lime wind, clouds, and rain, which affect the activities of living organisms generally. And the existence of 99% of water vapor are in it. Organizes the earth. Temperature. The air movement is vertically, where hot air currents of low density rise up, while cold air currents of high density fall down. Second layer, stratosphere. It is the second layer. It is called the ozonic atmospheric envelope, as it contains most of the ozone gas at height 20 to 40 kilometers above sea level. Characteristics of the stratosphere. It extends from 13 kilometers to the stratopause, 50 kilometers. So its thickness is 37 kilometers. At the lower part, the temperature is constant at minus 60 degrees Celsius, then increases gradually. The atmospheric pressure decreases on moving up until it reaches 1 meter bar at its top, 0.001 of the normal pressure at sea level, at the end of this layer. Characteristics of stratosphere. It extends from tropopause at 13 kilometer height above sea level to stratopause at 50 kilometers above the sea level. The temperature is constant in the lower part of it, and it increases gradually by rising up till it becomes 0 degrees Celsius. The atmospheric pressure decreases as we go up till it reaches 1 millibar at the top. It contains most of the ozone gas that exists in the atmosphere. The lower part of it is free from clouds and weather disturbances. 50 pilots prefer to fly their planes in this part. Third layer, mesosphere. It is the third middle coldest layer. Characteristics of the mesosphere. It extends from 50 kilometers to 85 kilometers with thickness of 35 kilometers. Temperature decreases with height and reaches minus 90 degrees at its end. This layer is much vacuumed or highly rarefied because it contains only a limited amount of helium and hydrogen gases. Meteors burn in this layer due to friction with air molecules, therefore it protects Earth. Atmospheric pressure decreases as we go up till it reaches 0.01 millibar at its top. Fourth layer, thermosphere. It is the fourth layer. It is the thermal layer because it's the hottest layer. Characteristics of the thermosphere. It extends from 85 kilometers to 675 kilometers with a thickness of 590 kilometers. Temperature increases rapidly when going higher until it reaches 1200 degrees Celsius at its end. The upper part of it is called ionosphere because its upper part contains charged ions. The ionosphere layer plays an important part in wireless communication and broadcasting because it reflects radio waves transmitted by radio stations and communication centers. Ionosphere is surrounded by two magnetic belts known as Van Allen belts. These belts play an important role in dispersing the harmful charged cosmic radiation away from the Earth. Ionosphere extends about 700 kilometers above sea level. Van Allen Belt. There are two magnetic belts surrounding the ionosphere. Van Allen Belt is very important to life. It plays an important role in scattering the harmful charged cosmic radiations away from the Earth. The scattering of harmful cosmic radiation away from the brightly colored light curtains seen from the two poles of Earth. The atmospheric layers are inserted with the outer space in a region called exosphere. The exosphere, satellites swim in it, which is used in communications and broadcasting over the countries and to know the weather condition information.